Reminiscing, I want you here in my arms so I can hold. Girl, you got me going flip mode. I'm in a different area, different zip code. I'm feeling love overload, staring out the window, wishing, constant reminiscing. I want you here in my arms so I can hold.
I'm at Dharma Sound Lab with DC, chilling from Southwest. You know how we do that.
Ain't feeling myself for days, I'm in a permanent daze. Your loving's got me amazed. Gotta let the truth be told, you got me going so crazy. Didn't think this would phase me. Got me running up and down and I'm feeling young like I'm 6 years old. I'm not with this, feel sickness and love hit this heart in this soul. I'm losing control, want you here with me, share with me, bear with me, this cannot fold. I want you here playing wifey role. Girl, you got me going flip mode. I'm in a different area, different zip code. I'm feeling love overload.
This one's got a bit more substance to it, man. This has got, I'll explain to it, man. I'm still writing that, man. I'm trying to find the right beat.
Yeah, I remember it as well. It used to go Tola vajda, tumbi vajdi, hey. Tola vajda, tumbi vajdi, hey.
I've done the opposite. I'll explain that to Mark now, innit? Yeah? The original it's like the original is like Tola vajda, tumbi vajdi. I've said not na kada vajda, na kadoli vajdi. Na kada vajda, na kadoli vajdi. आजा सुन चिमटी दी चीख जिंदड़ी ए दुनिया रंग रंगीली है आजा देख दुनिया दी रंग बदली ना कड़ा वजदा ना करोली वजदी. Basically what I'm saying there is back in the days, I'm talking about 1990, I'm talking about years ago, you know, the form of music in India or Punjab was literally just say a matka. You say matka, yeah, matka, and they would whack it. And they'll just start singing on top of it, just to make a beat, keep everybody in tempo. And there would be a kuruli as well, and that would be their instruments. They were just like kitchen instruments, just pots and pans. Yeah. Now what I'm saying is that was yonks ago. Now what I'm saying is we don't use that, nor we use the other one. People have lost interest in music. Like it started off from such a pure essence. It started off in such a pure way, very simple. And now people have complicated it in such a way. And now, obviously, the original was Tola vajda, tumbi vajdi. So I said, na kada vajda, na kadoli vajdi. Aja sun chimti di cheek jindari. E dunya rang barili, aja vek dunya di rang badali. This world it changes. Yeah, it's colourful and it changes constantly. But sometimes it doesn't change for the best. It changes for the worst. That metaphorical context is about people's personality as well.
Yeah.
They come across a certain beings in front of you, and you're like, oh, this guy's really on point. He's actually quite sane. And when you get to know him, and then they have a very evil, dark side, you're like, oh man, I wish I didn't do business with this person in the first place. You know? But like I said, that particular, it's got metaphorical thinking like over 100 times with different elements, different subjects, so people can relate to it. So, but I've used music as a platform. You know, it's quite deep. I have to sit down and proper decipher it for you word by word. So it's something that I was just writing on the train, because I saw this guy busking on the train. He was just playing the guitar and just getting money and stuff, and it just made me thought about music in general straight away from Punjab. How has music changed? You know, how people are developing modern technology. People call themselves beat makers or producers that can't even play a single instrument. There's so many things. So I ended up writing that hook, Antra, everything. And I was just looking for the right beat for that, for me to finish the song. That's it.
Staring out the window, wishing, constant reminiscing. I want you here in my arms so I can hold. Girl, you got me going flip mode. I'm in a different area, different zip code. I'm feeling love overload. Staring out the window, wishing, constant reminiscing. I want you here in my arms so I can hold. Girl, you I'm feeling so alone, staring at my phone, wanting you to come home. I wanna be here with you. Never thought I would feel this, but this is real realness. Meeting other girls, but they just don't compare to you.
Okay, cool. Let me listen to that. It sounded great.
I don't even know what I was mumbling.
That's great. Sorry.
Everybody, Sat Sri Akal, Assalamu Alaikum, Namaskar. What's going on? A big hello to everybody out there who don't understand a single word that I've just said. It's your boy Desi Sialkoti. Hi. I'm in London, and we're in Dharma Sounds Laboratory, and we're making some major heat waves, man. It's a shame that I got a cold. I'm sneezing all over these guys, and they're staying away from me like I'm a leper or something, you know? Because like they don't want to catch a cold, and I don't blame them. I do the same, you know? So hopefully I'm going to recover, and then I'm going to jump straight on the mic. Look at the mic, man. The mic is so beautiful. I haven't seen a golden mic like that in ever. That's a gorgeous mic.
You just
know, a lot
about
of
see it.
producers going to be jealous when they see that. You know, so Dharma Sounds Laboratory. We're just trying to create some amazing music, uplifting for the soul, and most importantly, spine tingling. And as soon as you hear it, you're like, wow. Just rejuvenating you musically. That's our target, man, and that's our goal, and that's what we're gonna do. So keep it locked, watch the space, and we'll keep you updated.
But I gotta keep moving and deal with the fact that it's you I'm losing. Foot to the floor cruising, on healing my internal bruising. Gotta keep my head up high, face the world, I gotta try. Keeping it real, I cannot lie. One thing I just can't deny. Girl, you got me going flip mode. I'm in a different